Dear students, today I am going to conclude this chapter agriculture with an important question. The question is, what are the major problems faced by Indian agriculture, or what are the important features of Indian agriculture? The answers are same. The first point is population pressure. As you all know that the population of India has crossed 1 billion mark and it is increasing at an alarming rate. The growth rate of population is perhaps the highest in the world. So it is the first problem, population pressure on land. Second point is small and fragmented land holdings. The pressure of increasing population and the practice of dividing the land among the sons has made land uneconomical. Land is getting fragmented and being scattered, that uneconomical, and so it should be avoided. The third point is depleted soils. The Indian soil is used since the Indus Valley civilization, so its fertility is diminishing day by day. In the green revolution areas, due to over-irrigation and overuse of chemicals and fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides, has also made Indian soil depleted, saline, alkaline, etc. Next point is inadequate irrigation facilities. Indian agriculture is still the hostage of the monsoon. If the monsoon rain is appropriate and timely, then production will be bumper. But if the rainfall is irregular, erratic, uncertain, then agricultural produce will be diminished greatly. The next point is farm implements. Although some mechanization of farming has taken place in India, but most of the Indian farmers are poor and so they can't afford modern implements. They still depend upon the obsolete tools and machines for agricultural activities, and this hampers the development of agriculture. Last but not the least, the storage of food grains. The storage of food grains is a big problem. Nearly 10% of our food grains goes waste every year in the absence of proper storage facilities. This colossal wastage can be avoided by developing scientific warehousing facilities. The government has taken several steps to provide storage facilities. So these are the important points. First, population pressure. Second, small and fragmented land holdings. Third, depleted soils. Fourth, inadequate irrigation facilities. Fifth, farm implements. And sixth, storage of food grains. This chapter is over now. The next chapter is only for math skills, and so in the next class we will start manufacturing industries. Thank you.